You receive an email from Wendy about needing to meet on a sales project. Email suggests a few answers, but now you want to respond with your availability to meet and prevent the following emails to agree on a time and day. To do this, click the calendar icon at the bottom of your email reply edit window. Your calendar will open, and you can choose the open time slots you want to share with Wendy. You have some open slots Monday. Tuesday seems very busy. You have some time slots for Wednesday and Thursday. Your Friday seems to be very open. Click Next. Change the title to Sales Project Meeting so it's relevant to Wendy's request. Click to add to the email, and a formatted box inserts the time slots you're willing to share. Click Send, and now Wendy can choose when it's convenient for both of you to meet. Wendy receives your email with the slots to choose from. Wendy chooses Monday at 2:15. Wendy confirms. You receive the calendar invite confirmation email. All this was accomplished with only one reply to Wendy's email. There were not 2 or more emails trying to agree on a date and time. This saves a lot of time if you need to schedule meetings on a regular basis. Thank you for your attention.